Welcome to 515 Shelduck, Bennett Springs. Lovely home. Master bedroom as you walk in, split cycle on the wall. Nice ensuite bathroom here with a shower and a vanity and a toilet. Deep walk-in robe. Just to my right here is the double car garage. Big garage. Access to the side just there. Little toilet in the hallway with a small vanity. Cupboard storage. Bedroom number 2. Vertical blinds and a built-in robe. Good sized room. Bedroom number 3, slightly smaller, nice window, and built-in robes also. Main bathroom, large shower, opening up to the main living space, and kitchen area. Split cycle system on the wall. This is a good sized area here. Tile floors. We'll have a look at the kitchen now. Plenty of cabinetry, space for a fridge, double metal sink, gas cooking with the range hood, large laundry area too, with side access just here. And there's that door we saw in the garage. Through to the outdoor entertaining area. Nice and cozy. Private with pedestrian access via a gate. Nice and easy to look after. Garden beds along the side here. Gas instant hot water system. Fold out clothesline. Outdoor tap as well. Let's go back to the front. Security mesh